If I were in need of a remote job I can do from anywhere right now, this platform I'm about to share with you would have been my number one. If you're looking for a data entry job, customer support role, data management, email management, data mining, all those nice remote jobs you can do from anywhere, beginner friendly, then this platform that I'm going to show you now is my number one. This is a platform that accepts people from all over the world. Location is not a barrier for them. I'm going to show you how this platform works and how to get started if you are in need of a remote job you can do from anywhere. Before we go there, welcome back to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Help me, let's get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers before next weekend. This video is for informational purposes only, and it is from my own research. Do your own research, do your own due diligence before applying to any platform out there. This video is not sponsored. It is not a promotional video. I am just sharing to help someone out there because I've read through the comment section. You guys are asking for remote jobs you can do from wherever you are. And I decided to share this one because I've been on this platform for over 3 years now. Okay. So I'll show you everything you need to get started with this platform. And again, it is not sponsored. They are not paying me for this. Okay. So let's get back into the video. As you can see here, as I was talking now, you can see this one says transcription, Braille document add, Braille data entry, data processing, paying 50 USD. And guys, I'm not going to be talking much about the payment due to YouTube policy. You can obviously come here to, read these informations yourself. So this person, you can see here, it says member since May 14th, 2026. Person is from Haiti. Basically, what they do on this platform is, I can come up here now. As I told you guys that I started an agency, I can come up here, create a job ad, and people will apply, right? So companies and individuals come here to list their jobs. Then you will bid for it. If you get it, you work on it. It says, I have an administrative document in PDF format between 1 and 10 pages long, which I need to convert fully into Braille. I am looking for a transcriber who can quickly and accurately enter the content of the PDF into Braille without loss of information or organization. Titles, paragraphs, pagination. Deliver a BRF file ready for embossing as well as a proof copy. Strictly adhere to agreed deadlines and guarantee data confidentiality. Excellent Braille. Bidding will end in 6 days. The person is paying 50 USD per hour. So for this one, you need skills like translation, data processing, data entry, transcription, PDF, French translator, typing, Braille to work on this one. Okay. But this is not why we're here anyway. So let me show you how it works. You come here now, okay? You come to this platform. You sign up using the link in my description. Once you sign up, you can obviously stay here for free, and bid some jobs. Okay, this one that they applied now has just one bid, one proposal from somebody from Bangladesh, and they just bid it. One thing I like about these Indians, Bangladesh, those people from Asia, one thing I like about them is that they always, they know what they're doing. You see them on Upwork, you see them on Fiverr, you see them on People Per Hour, see them on freelancer.com. You see them everywhere. Some of them are paying subscription to be there. I've seen your comment asking me, I have to pay this and that. If you really need a job that you can do, most companies, in fact, you guys know the drill. They don't hire Africans. Let me just hit the nail on the head. They don't hire Africans. But these other ones, these platforms, these freelancer platforms are where you as an African can easily get a job. But you guys are sleeping on it. You pay subscription for your data to watch TikTok. Sorry guys that I'm saying all this, but you need to spend your money, in the right places to get it back. Let me not go far into that before YouTube removes this video. So this person just placed a bid. So it currently has one bid. This is how you do it. You come here, browse. You browse any job you want to browse. Let's say you want to go for website designing. Let's just browse anyone. Website design. You see projects here. This person is in Mumbai and the bidding ends in 6 days. This is how much they are willing to pay for this. So what do? You come here and update your skills. Okay, update your skills, make sure you have the skills that they need, then apply and place your bid. I'm not going to show you guys my my details. Okay, I won't show you guys my details. I won't even show you the sign up process because yeah, they don't want us doing that. They don't want us doing that anymore on YouTube. So find out, just use the link in the description to sign up. Once you sign up, complete your profile 100%. Put your skills. If you have all those amazing skills, because those are the skills you would need to work on this platform. Make sure you have those skills. I don't know what you're doing. So if you know how to design, if you know how to create content, if you're into crypto, Bitcoin and blockchain, data entry typing, you can come here and search for job. Just click here, browse projects. This one is Clear English Shopify Setup Help Training, and the budget is 8 to 10 USD per hour. Commercial cleaning, B2B sales, Facebook account recovery specialist, customer database update, Google Forms and Drive setup with sheet enhancement, part-time customer data entry. You open it like this, then you come, read the details, check if you have the skills. I'm not going to show you guys my profile, it's down there. Okay, so you can bid some of it completely free, but if you want to bid up to 50 per month, you can pay for a teeny subscription there, a very little subscription, so that you can have opportunity to build up to 50 times per month. Yeah, so this is a platform that you can find a remote job without barrier. No barrier to your location at all. So for you to be able to start bidding and earning from this platform, you're going to make sure your email is verified, make sure your profile is complete. Without a complete profile, you cannot get hired here. Then browse job and place your first bid. So I'm not going to talk too much. I just wanted to introduce this platform to you. Okay, so let me know. I want you to go now, sign up. You can also search for jobs using your location. Okay, these are the jobs that are available now in my location. If I wanted to do them, I can do them right now. All right, so you can search for jobs in your own location. We call it local jobs. If you're looking for jobs in your location, you can come here and do them. Of course, I don't want you to look for jobs in your location. I don't want you earning in Naira. Okay, come now, sign up. Let me know the update in the comment section if you're able to place any bid. So if you see any job you can do, any remote job that you feel, yes, I can do this one, like customer service database, you open it, complete your profile and place a bid. So the job is paying £122. That's the conversion of these 15,000 rupees. Then you place a bid. It currently has 6 bids. This one has 45 bids. You place a bid. You can start small. Part-time customer data entry, paying £7. You see, this is small. So this person now says he manages billing at a busy supermarket and the daily volume of customer details is now more than he can comfortably maintain on his own. He's looking for a reliable data entry clerk who can step in on a part-time basis and keep their customer information clean, complete. So what you do is to log customer names, contact numbers and purchase references from the point of sale slips into existing Google Sheets template. Double check new rules for spelling, numeric accuracy and consistent formatting. So just go through it. You must already be comfortable working inside Google Sheets, filters, basic formulas, and conditional formatting. Guys, due to YouTube limitation, there are things we cannot say, I always encourage you guys, but there is limit to what I can say. If you open this platform, sometimes I stumble upon Nigerians as well here, but you can see Pakistan, India, Pakistan, they are the ones that know what's happening. They are the ones that are serious about this space that we are talking about. So please come to this platform now and sign up. Complete your profile, put your hourly rate, add your skills, the listing type, location, country of your choice. Then you search. We also have contests. This one is professional video editing and graphic design service guaranteed. Build verified Ghana companies and HR contact database guaranteed. I don't know, maybe I'm not explaining this very well, but I'm just showing you, okay, what you can find here. You can work on this platform from anywhere. Your location is not a barrier, okay? And for those of you living in the UK and US, even Canada, you guys have more opportunities than some people outside in Africa, okay? So how does it work? Employers will come here, post a project, or individuals, even agencies. Then they will choose a perfect freelancer. Then you chat in real time, compare proposals, and select the best one. Okay. Then they pay you when they are satisfied with your work. They also have a mobile app. They have a live chat, customer support 247. They're always here to help you. Okay. There's nothing scam here. Here are just some of the things you could get done on freelancer.com. Things like logo design, label design, mobile design, package design, interior design, web design. There are so many things you can do here. So I said, let me share this. I've been here for like 3 years. You guys don't know, I've come a long way in this remote job thing. But anyway, I'm considering those of you in Africa, you're going through a lot. So I thought to share this. Please let me know what you think in the comments. If you have visited this platform before and if it works for you, let me know in the comments. Even if you have a negative feedback, still drop it in the comment. I welcome every feedback, be it negative or positive. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Please do like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel. All right. The name again is freelancer.com. I'll see you in the next one.